That's the end of our workshop. I hope you enjoyed that. I love teaching this project. It's one of my favorites because we've got them sitting on our little shelf at home. And also I've got them all over the studio here as well because I think they just look so cool. If you want to send me a little picture of your cactus plant pal on your desk at home or wherever you're doing your homework or your home learning, I'd love to see it. The different skills that we learned here today are super versatile. So if you're doing any sort of like plush or stuffed shapes, we could always use the overstitch for the edge and it holds all the stuffing in. Same with the little felt flowers. You can do so many things with that. Someone had the idea to add like a butterfly to their cactus instead of a flower, which I thought was a really sweet idea. So you could use the same flower templates to make maybe some hair barrettes or get a hairband and cover them with different flowers. There's lots of spring crafts you could do with the flowers as well. So keep making, keep your templates, and you can use them again and again. I'll show you quickly one of the other cactuses I've made. So this one is just a rounded shape, and instead of the straight stitches, I've done little V stitches instead, just to give it a different look. And then I've also used a little pom-pom flower on the top, which I think is quite sweet. So there's lots you can do if you want to keep on making. You could decorate your pot as well. It's totally up to you. Because these are clay, you need to be really careful you don't drop them. But you could either use acrylic paint to paint on them. So this one I've done like a little scallop edge on that paper pot. But you could paint on them with acrylic paints or add like a little bit of ribbon. Decorate it as you like. But I hope you enjoyed that. Cannot wait to see you again for another workshop.